Hey guys, so this is us setting up this banquet. I'm here with Kat. Say hi, Kat. So one thing we want to make sure that we have is we look at the BEO. And as I'm looking at this BEO, I counted 1 fresh fruit and berries, 2 house-made, 3 toast, farm fresh eggs grilled, 5, 6 oatmeal, 7 rosemary potatoes. So that's what I did here. Was able to transfer those to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I'm gonna take those 7. I just tripped over this. And we'll land a sticky note for where everything lands. Right now we have a small riser, so this is where the oatmeal is gonna go. The idea is to put the oatmeal before the berries, which I'll keep right here. The berries, pastries, we're gonna keep high up here. Give them some vertical space, and when we're setting things up, we want to make sure that we have different heights. Might finish off the silverware there, these guys on, and things that we also check is electric. See if all the electric's working, and checking out the sternos. So those are all working. Potatoes, generally speaking, we want to start off with starches first and proteins last. We are 1 short a ring, so we're gonna go ahead and use this one. Oh, you know what, actually this works out perfect. So although we don't have a ring, we're gonna use this guy, the Kamal, to land a paella. So also needs 1, 2, 3, at least 4 sternos at the very minimum. Not sure if we can double up on this, but we have the heat lamp that's going to keep everything hot. So important that we make sure that we cover everything. We have the drink station going to be set up over there. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 items. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Power's working. And we should be set up for this banquet. So what we got to remember is the flow. So what's usually gonna happen is they're gonna come through this place and then go this way. So I don't know if you checked, we actually swapped out the setup. So we start off with the plates. So I always start off with plates here in the beginning, and then end off with silverware at the end. So that's the way we set it up. Oatmeal, starch, we have some berries that are coming in. But then we move into potatoes, starch first, eggs, and then always finish off with the protein last. We set up the bed station because it bottlenecks everything as we as the chef's table starts to move. So that's basically how we're gonna set up our BEO. So once again, check if everything works. I'm checking out the power. We're plugged in underneath there. I turned on both toasters just to make sure we don't blow any circuits while they're both on. So that plug holds just fine with the amperage that we're currently using. So that is it. That we have our vessels in place. Our vessels are in place, so we know how it's going to sit, but also have the serving utensils kind of preset, so we know exactly in the morning that we're going to have. So just to prevent from cross-contamination, we have 1 for each vessel. We're going to line these up for our breads with some linens. So